Saw your question in the email here. You're given this equation which describes the height of a projectile. So we got projectiles going up in the air and coming down. Time is passing and the height is changing. The height is increasing and it's decreasing. T is time, S is the height, V sub 0 is initial velocity, which they give you is 96 feet per second. And so you substitute that in, and that's the equation they give you. Then there's a part A and B. Part A, they want to know when it reaches 128 feet, which I've put in red here. It's going to happen on the way up and on the way back down, most likely. So you put in 128, and then you solve. I moved it over this side, just made my numbers easier, divide by -16, readily factors. You could use quadratic formula, and you get the two answers. It's 2 and 4 seconds. It's up 128 feet. The next part, they want to know when it hits the ground. I made that red dot there. When's it hit the ground? So they want you to let it, the height be a 0. So now you solve this one. It's a little bit easier. You divide by -16 again. You don't have to. Then I factor the common t. You could use quadratic formula. But factoring is pretty easy. So you get 0 in 6 seconds. 0 means just initially on the ground, and 6 seconds later, it's back on the ground. Hope this helps.